Driver on the left almost causes an accident by merging into the wrong lane.
What the f are you doing, dude? What the f are you doing? You know that's a double turn, right? Wow, man. Just wow.
Driver from behind wasn't paying attention and luckily he managed to avoid the accident when this driver started turning.
I'm pretty sure.
Okay, when I heard something hit, yeah, I heard something, but I didn't see anything on my truck. I'm willing to give you my answer.
Oh my god. Jeepers. Let's go. My god, I have you on your dash cam there, idiots.
Oh, holy sh! What just happened?
By the looks, it seems that driver didn't even stop to check for traffic. He pulled out immediately and caused the accident.
I think he's okay. No one's getting out of the other one.
Is he gonna come? You is it my wing mirror?
To release Shackelford on that right.
Oh my god, dude, holy f***.
Are you okay?
You're backing up! Oh my god!
Bad road conditions and speeding caused this driver to go off-road. Luckily, he saved it. This trucker got brake checked by pickup truck driver. Take a look.
Yo, turn signal! It almost hit me!
That's 1-888-924-8924. Hi, you're on. Wait, don't tell me. Hi. Here, so that would make me kind of cool. Do you wanna go? What?
They just said I was bad at the game. Is that you?
Yeah, they don't have the right of way.
They don't have the right of way.
It's out. BMW, left turn signal on, and yet it's pointing to the right. And look at the other side, when you're making a right turn, it's pointing to the left. Rather interesting, isn't it?
Semi-driver failed to maintain his lane position and sideswipes a car. After a close call, this driver turned around just to check if the driver was blinded by the sun.
Yeah. As if he didn't see me? Like, come on, man. Like, how? How could you not?
Take the exit on the right to I-80, then take the ramp ahead.
After causing accident, this driver tried to run away, but his car had too much damage and was unable to do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.